Kathleen V. Wilkes of the University of Oxford was particularly clear. There should be no issue about women in philosophy. There should have been no issue for women in philosophy, she wrote. And Wilkes defended her position with what she called both a priori and a posteriori, a priori and pragmatic arguments. Her a priori argument was a sort of straightforward equality feminism. If women and men are to be considered equal, they must be treated equally. And if they're to be treated equally, it must be because they are empirically alike. And if they're empirically alike, there is no basis for giving special treatment to women. And as Wilkes put it, in a claim that I think rather underestimates the ability of philosophers to make outlandish arguments, she says, it's impossible to argue that the sex of an individual is relevant to his or her ability to teach or write philosophy. Hence, in academic establishments generally, in philosophy, not italicised, and one would hope in Philosophy, the journal, the sex of a professor, of an applicant or of an author must be considered to be irrelevant as is his or her size in socks. And empirically, Wilkes noted, either one thinks that women as such get an unfair deal from the academic establishment or one does not. And even if women were being treated unfairly for Wilkes, the all-women issue of philosophy would not have been justified. She writes, reverse discrimination is, in the late 1970s, a thoroughly regressive step because it underlines the significance of sex rather than undermining it or minimising it. In any case, Wilkes notes parenthetically, I think myself that women are doing all right, but that is a personal opinion that does not affect the argument.